Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial on Let's Take It Easy. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to sign into iCloud on your iMac or MacBook. So first of all, you want to come down to System Preferences. Once you've clicked on it, you should be greeted by a page that looks like this. Find the top. Then click on Sign In. Then put in your Apple ID. If you don't have one, come here and press on Create Apple ID. Select your date of birth. I'm going to go random. Then click Next. Put in your name. And then select an email address. Then click Next. But I'm not going to because I'm not actually making one. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new. If you still feel confused, feel free to contact us at 0386521589. Thank you. Goodbye.